Hello guys, this is Miss Lulu playing around with DuoLingo and also with Walk the World, I believe. So I'm going to show you guys today how to get into these apps via the HoloLens. And what you'll do is you'll put your hand out like this to get to the main menu, and then you'll tap like this to get it back up, right? So the next thing you want to do is you see there's a little word, it says all apps. So you're going to click on all apps. Okay, and then here I'm going to show you how to get into DuoLingo. I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to scroll down because I need to go all the way to the top. And so you see there's DuoLingo. You click on DuoLingo and it'll populate the DuoLingo app right on the HoloLens. I don't know if you say HoloLens or HoloLens, so not sure about that. So I am logged into my course. I have an account. This is a free app. You are not charged for it, and it takes you through a lot of lessons. So if you can see, there's a lot of lessons here. This is an account that I had with that I assigned to my students when I was teaching them Spanish. So what I'm going to do is click on the intro one just to show you what you see. All right, so how can I make this smaller? I don't know. Let me move it this way. I'm moving my head. I don't know. Oh, lesson 1, lesson 2. Okay, so I want to do lesson 1. So I'm going to click on lesson 1. I'll try it again. There we go. So there's lesson 1. Okay. So it says translate this sentence.
Coffee.
You hear it? Isn't it awesome? You go select cafe. And then you click on check. Okay? Perfect. So you click continue to move on. This is just another way for you. Sorry. This is just a way for you to, another way for you to practice so that it's interactive, it's right in your face, you get the practice you need, and it helps to enhance whatever language you want. They have different languages that they offer. English is one of them, obviously. Spanish is another one, but there's lots of languages that you can practice, okay? So I would type hello, oops, and then check. Okay? So this is how it works. Where it says translate this sentence, I already did that, so you continue. So you get the gist of it, right?
Please.
Okay, we're going to get out of this one now, and we're going to get into the other app that I was going to show you. To get out of it, you just click the X, put your palm up, and then tap, and then now we're going to go to all apps, and now we're going to go into Walk the World. Okay, so that one is at the very bottom, so you'll click on it. The trick with this one is you have to look down, and see it's telling me to look towards the floor. Yes. Okay, help. There's my information. Okay, so I want to take me to another place.
I am sorry. I am a bit busy right now.
It's still thinking. Okay, so we have to, I guess, let it think for a minute. But anyway, we're going to hit OK, and then we're going to walk around, and you can see that you can walk around, turn around, and you can see different parts, different maps all around you, right? So this is a very interactive tool that you can use, I don't know, for projects like maybe having students tell you, especially ESL and ESL students, tell you how to get to, no, not how to get to somewhere, although you could use that too, but you could also have them present their country and like maybe interesting places that they have in their country, and then they can use this app to show everybody how, you know, what these places are and why they're interesting. Yes. Help. Select Vista. I want to select, we're going to do Nepal, Mount Everest, Nepal. Okay, so now you see how it's pulling up the information. It takes a little bit because there's a lot of, I guess, data that it needs to collect in order to make the picture. Yay! Look around you. Look around you. Do you see? This is so awesome. So you can zoom in or you can zoom out. I think I can tell it to do all of that stuff, but look around you. There's nothing but mountains. Mountains. So you can see that there's lots of stuff here that you can work with.